Fuck, I forgot to go to the gas station and fuel these sons of bitches up. I was totally not paying attention. I was listening to the story.
Oh, I
That
like
would
you
have been a
guys.
bitch of a swim.
I really like you guys.
No, this.
Well, no, it's just your past stories. I mean, it makes you wiser in the long run.
Yeah, wiser and poorer and uglier generally.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah, that's also going on.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the thing.
Yes,
We
Pete,
just
I have
learned
a
to
map.
hide it better.
Is this a boat? Is this a boat? Oh, it's a fucking broken boat. Fuck you, video game.
I'm gonna die. I'm seriously going to die.